Hey everybody, welcome back to Troy's Hobbies RC. Today on the channel we're going to be taking out the FMS Atlas. Again, this truck has the Hobby Wing Fusion 2-in-1 motor and ESC in it, a 40 kilogram servo, and today we're going to be changing up the wheels and tires on it to these 5-spoke HobbyPark tires. Again, these have a plus 5 millimeter offset per wheel. They're a little bit wider than normal with some axle extenders that I'm using. It just gives it a little bit more stability on the trail, a little bit better side hilling ability, and with these more aggressive treads and the Injora inserts, we're running blue inserts in the front, which is the medium compound, and then greens in the back here, which are the soft compound. This should make for a very, very performance-driven vehicle over what it was stock. The servo is almost twice as strong. The FOC in the motor is really, really smooth. And this wheel and tire combination should really, really provide a lot of grip. So let's get this thing out on the trails and see how it does today. Well, everybody, sorry if the audio is a little bit weird. I'm right by the river, and I don't have my microphone. But as you can see, we have a little problem here. The FMS broke the axle housing. I can see where it cracked there. It's a pretty clean split. So we're going to take this thing back to the studio, get it all dried off, and I guess that means we're going to probably have to do some upgrades to this truck. All right, everybody, it's going to be it for today on Troy's Hobbies RC. That was another run out on the trails with the FMS Atlas. As you guys saw there at the end of the video, we had a little bit of an accident, and the rear axle housing actually broke. The plastic housing itself broke. So we're going to have to replace that and get a new one ordered. So whenever we get that in the mail or wherever we end up getting it, we'll get this fixed up and we'll get this truck back out on the trail. I just think it was kind of a fluke accident. Just fatigue over time. This truck has taken a few pretty big tumbles down the hillsides on the mountains there. So maybe it just caught one unluckily and cracked it. So we're going to get another axle housing, get it replaced, and get this truck back out on the trails. So in the meantime, just want to say thanks for watching. Subscribe to the video if you guys are new. Thumbs up the video if you guys liked it. Don't forget to follow us on all of our social media. Troy's Hobbies RC. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and of course here on YouTube. So that's going to be it for today. Thanks for watching. Peace.